Siringa ngediski asiyamasoka analyst asiyamasoka analyst samahamsha wasekasi siringa ngediski sithi sinthathe ngamehlo engqondo sinibeke kwesikama.
Hi, welcome to Diski Podcast. Please like and subscribe, even ring a bell on our channel.
Welcome to the show, everyone. This is your weekly stop for the latest soccer news, stories, and big talking points from around the world. Whether you're tuning in from home, on the road, or straight from the stadium, we've got you covered. I'm your host, and today we're breaking down the matches, the moments, and the players making headlines. So sit back, relax, and let's kick off with the biggest stories in football right now.
We have been defending for too long now. It's time to take the shots and score the goal. MI Legends Club.
They shout and scream like it's more than a dream. Only one thing on their mind, that Diski Supreme. Siringa ngediski,
Morning to all the viewers of Siringa ngediski.
Yes, ubona re mapagane ya la go DDC o ra veile jwana o checkile game.
Mamela ntone ke shebeletse la ke na le bothata ba hore who is going to be promoted next season, who is not going to be promoted, because all the boys were fighting from the goalkeeper going up front. With the last game we've watched that gave them the cup, Mamela, those boys have been there and they've been waiting for this, and they did it, and well done to the Paganias TDC.
So any word that you wanna say ka Mpopadi?
Mamela, I'm saying once more, Pirates is over the Tata, by some manko dimu, by some manko class. At least we're not Monica final. If game before the final, phone it, Garashevam Takao. Katsara Polo, Kirilium Umian, crowd of Fela Stadium.
Yeah, definitely. Game more the previous game. But no, I think I don't think Oro Krende for no Adale because I can not tribula all man.
Asiena.
Ke crowd.
How it's hard, but Bali keep on about something solo, because Babat and Twitch, I think we use. So the boy is still young, but what I like about Pirates, the previous game.
Neredalali cheap.
Cheaper.
Yeah.
Not cheaper. I mean, I'm talking the senior team.
DDC.
The top 10.
Or the Neredalali.
Or Magesi.
Yeah, Magesi. Yeah, yeah, no, Magesi.
They couldn't field the two of their players. Why? Because they belong to Pirates.
Yeah.
So you check how many players are being supplied to the second division from Pirates.
Yeah.
So Ronaldo 21 in. That boy is long registered with the top team, but has been loaned, and now that is back. So what about Tata? Who to promote? Who not to promote? That boy who won't get padim. Who to promote? Okay, but who is somebody clapping saying? Who to put us
Oh yeah.
That's how Pirates does things.
Then Magesi we won join ya tse grot.
No, not personally, as there is a good is a Magesi, the Kina Tata, but it's a color game with the first goal early, Karai, Avalibale. So the whole thing is, I'm still complaining, and I'm not going to stop. Our goalkeeper, Anna Yonan sense of agency. I mean, we need goals. Sundowns is banging in goals. So how are we going to bang goals whilst the goalkeeper is still delaying as if it's a final shot of goal? There we need goals. That's why Apollo, Ailatlele, Bamate Kopil span. Then goal, we win. But Ishapile 7 Sundowns. How about Tuane Navasakor? They also did a room.
Then Chiefs dintwana ke re etsa sona no re dlala perana tonki Chiefs dintwana we bone ona shele
No,
level.
last game, last game, they played very well, those boys. They meant business, Libon.
Yeah.
It's only that they caught their feet late. Bona, they were doing it for the coach.
So A11 nearly
Sheba. You know, I'm a busy man and
yeah. So Yamasanda wana we bone.
I can't think I beat in. South Africa, listen to this one, guys. South Africa doesn't have a goalkeeper. Look at the goals Nedi scorer our first choice goalkeeper. Those are not worthy. So once mfano result of defense I moli mdlalang, but they are not, to be honest, high. I never tshwanele Brian Baloyi, I never tshwanele Khune.
All right, I retouchere qetela. So Mr. Mzera wa kupule man fanda go no sha mobile matter of fact ngishayile ka call or you got a surprise for me. We got a new guest. So ke kopontsha or who's this new guest?
It's not a guest per se.
Yeah.
Akir, now we are tired. People are talking pirates.
Yes, sir.
So the member that I brought here, she knows more about Kaizer Chiefs. And let me not say much. Marele Kutwela, Kiwano Kamuntuza, General Wahamadu. Yena Amamela. Kiwano Tubuanga Tweta interview ya Kenya Wednesday. But Pete Negidu was saving Paulo Barasa. Yena, she was picking up the core points of the game. She will tell us more. Negidu Tiliana, it can't be fair, but Yena, Babam Telali Cook. No, the oil warrant Katenga Chiefs. We like a class in Yana, one of the main class. About the one of that game.
All right, let us not go further. Ska introduce this one now. We will like your a chance because nona lena sure nona le some other questions about so yeah, we can give him a chance or again our new member
General.
Yeah.
Thank you,
sir. Hola General, my General, how are you? Mnandi. Yeah, man. I just wanna ask you, General, Mr. Mzera Nanchelo, onale game in Aishebilelo and Kaizer Chiefs. So I don't wanna say much because Nazanke check. I want him to ask you more questions. Kawana this game, Kaizer Chiefs. Mr. Mzera.
General, how did you see the game as Neridu to Shebileti from the start to the finish? Yes, and down to Lee Kaizer Chiefs.
Well, as game, I've watched it from the first minute up until the last. That was a good game to watch, I can say, which there are a few things tailoring. It's about technique when it comes to our coaches. There are players that are not even given a chance to represent us, which there is talent, mostly to some Kulmelu Valibai, Kulmelu Villarreal. They're giving Amanero chances, whereas we need them Babaka a chance any to show us what they have. We can destroy too many teams with Valibai, Villarreal, Shabalala, Munyani. The attack overlap yake. Umudiwara won a game. He was off because we were valid. Something on logo, but there are games whereby we don't need a hardship parrot. We just need about to distribute whereby we need our 2 balls. Interest for Bulalanga, Bonilla no one Muren. Kishawa Pug, Malia Pascal and Banu Villagas. We need those passes. Nama coaches are switch on. We don't need to go hard, but we have to go smart.
Saselapho nje ukhuluma ngama-tackles ayenzeka emagemini nje lawo esibuya kuwo, especially Chiefs and Sundowns. Angazi benikuphi kodwa-ke nje ngokubisele emuva le rafu esesayibona laphana uthini ngathi yarafu ngediski lase-South Africa?
Well, I can't say much on that one. I think maybe I don't know whether I do understand your question.
Okay. Asibuyele kuyo nje igame sibe specific ngale game uthini erafu nje esiyibonile kule game
ikarate
lento ama player yenzayo. For instance uNdlovu uthini ngefuture kaNdlovu makazoqhubeka adlale ngale ndlela kanjalo?
Well, to be honest, the future is not bright if you're that kind of a player. Selidlala ikarate asidlala ibhola phela. Kusho ngathi kunanto engathi personal khona lapha ya. Sokuspanisa ama personal tactics. Akudlalwa ibhola sekudlala ikarate esingama-China phela.
Hayi no, siyabonga
makathi nje ukuyehlisa kancane acabangele ukuthi sidlalela i-team adlalela i-team ngokuthi
otherwise sizokushona.
Abaningi baye esibhedlela siceda abanye ama-career sicedela abanye abantu ama-career which is not first buya lapho nathi ama-career ethu acedwe vele ngabakubo.
Silver plan are $250 per month. Gold plan are $350 per month. Platinum Plan are $450 per month. And for our seniors, a special pensioners top up at just $80 per month. Because at KV Funeral Home, we believe every farewell deserves respect, care, and dignity. The dignity.
ngithola songathi masegijimisa ikwalo ukuthi angiyithandile uma ngangikhipha nje egamini siyaqhubeka ngendlela
nakusi-sportsmanship
that's not sportsmanship.
hayi no sithi hayi abondlovu amaplayer anjalo hayi abamajida awazicoca adlala idisk otherwise ndlovu liyaphela idisk or kanjani
Obviously liyaphuma.
How did you see the refereeing? The referees ubone kanjani nje abo referee bethu?
Well, angazi ukuthi ureferee angathina ngaphekasi ukuthi ureferee bothengiwe okubofuna ukuthi vele iSundowns uwile vela ngoba vele kugijimiswana ngasemuva or kanjani. It was not fair. Refereeing yakhe it wasn't good, I can say.
imsindile leya game
Yeah, kahle it was too big for him. That was not for him ukuthi I take it over. That's supposed maybe to be giving somebody else. Also one neutral, not ukuthi maybe it's part of ifene Sundowns asazi. Bekafuna ukuthi Sundowns iye phambili or maybe bekuyifene Chiefs, bekafuna ukuthi iChiefs idle iSundowns ukuthi Pirates ukhona ukugibela ngaphezulu. Because he was never neutral. Instead bekanza izinto ama decision amanye were late. Yeah, naye beka confused iself angazazi ukuthi kanjani. Bezimshaya. That's when is frustration yabonakala from the coach yaka Sundowns ukuthi abona manje kuyanyiwa. Sundowns can't handle pressure. When there's pressure, they panic.
Hey,
they make no mistakes.
saselapho nje size sahleka sathi hayi nabagembulile manje hey
Ziyabuya.
hayi ziyabuya
Ihambile imali.
ihambile imali
Ihambile imali.
ubani ngacabanga ukuthi lapha kuleya game ngashaywa 4 goals le yeswele wena
Nobody thought of it. Phela sokhanje ngokunyathwa manje ukuthi the
iswele
big team has to
sashaya
go
4
up.
goals
Uyayibona.
because iSundowns yagijima yagcwala phambili yonke manje yabona
Yeah.
bazama bonke batholakala phambili bavula imbobo emuva
Exactly.
nocoach ngiyambonga mangabe uye uthi hey bafana ovale phani ke manje
Thumele.
Sabonga general.
Abonge mina.
amara general akathanga qabuqabu asitshele nje ukuthi ubani wena general ubuya
Hayi, mina ngokwaziwa ngugeneral wala eKasi. Abaningi bangazi ngogeneral uMuntuza. Akhuliswa uNtolo the late Ntolo from Mapetla Brazil.
okay
Ngakhula from lapho. Idiski ngancane lapho ngasuka ngaya kumzitho Mapetla Barcelona.
okay
Sabuyela ke emuva sesibuya sesivusa iMapetla Brazil sekubuya uChief Mzerero.
Yeah.
Sesicoach sesibamba ke sithi ukukhuphuka. Ngihambile ngidlalile. Ngibonile idiski hayi. Angilicoci ngoba ngilibuke TV ngiyalazi.
Yeah.
Unfortunately ama injury ayenze indima yawo.
eitha
Yeah.
siyajabula ukuba nawe general siyacabanga ukuthi ukuqhubekela phambili sizoba nawe la kule program yethu
Tota kubuyela emuva.
hayi God bless and protect
Asibonge.
Sirena nobani?
Rise Mdu
Rise Mdu from where? Fire.
from ngathi from Phiri.
From Phiri. Yeah, Fire ngicela usitshele ukuthi game ye-Chiefs bibone kanjani?
Hayi game Chiefs be grand but into enye engayibuka nje ukuthi abanye abantu badlaliswa ngokuthi bona ba trenda kangakanani. Ba trenda kancane hayi angeke usithole scheme but ke labafana lo uma iqala second half lapho kuqale khona kushintsha ke lapho ubonakala ukuthi sokuyaqala njengalo mfana uVilakazi uyi ukhona ukwenza yonke into ukuthi bayizitholile 2 goals iChiefs beside lentwana lezi lokuthi makusele kuthiwa scheme kusele ethi ngokuthi ke hayi utrenda kangakanani angeke nje ukuthi ke siphumelele but nje labafana nje babuyela akunikeze nje bafana ithuba labanqane.
So wena lento yakaVilakazi bahlala bamfaka ngaboma 70-80 wibona injani?
Biyambulala because namanje nje ubimbulala kanjena ngabe manje nguye lokwathi ukuphusha umfukeni ukuthi ke bacompete but ngokuthi naku yena akasitholi ischeme kungakho ngathi ke manje umfukeni uzirelaxele uzenzela yonke into but kube bathi umfukeni ucompete na Vilakazi uyazi ukuthi ke once ngenza imistake uVilakazi uzongibhazamisa ngabe nayo udlala ibhola ngaphandle nje ngokuthi ke azirelaxele.
So le game Chiefs ne Sundowns yona uyibukile?
Yangibhekile.
yini into ebonile ukuthi beyenzakala ungathi ayihambi ngendlela or yonke into beyibona ivagrant.
Yazi mina ngibuye ukuthi ibhola sometimes kunebhola ngokuthi siyalwa. Yabona khona umfana lo ukuthi abone ukuthi yabona labantu labafuna sibalwise. Yabona nje iChiefs iye yaqhamuka lesinye strategy ukuthi laba siyabalwisa. Abanye bazomblame uNdlovu bathi uNdlovu hey udlala kabi uNdlovu udlale kabi. But mina uNdlovu ngibuke ngokuthi ke ubuke ukuthi laba siyabalwisa. Njoba sibalwisa kanje sizobaqeda amandla masibaqeda amandla bese after that sisibabamba ngedraw shothi nje iChiefs idlale ngalesinye strategy yasebenzisa uNdlovu kungakho nje ngithi mina ke iChiefs ngandlela edlala ngaphela ibhola ayidlalwa nje ngokuthi njalo ufuna udlale njengePirates njalo ushishala amashushu sometimes ufuneke siyafuneka isicathulo isicathulo nje siyesicine nje bafanele ubona ukuthi azidlane bafana bema conflicts lana azidlala nemadoda.
Yeah, asho ukuthi ke sebayithena kakusasi idisk sokuyikarate. Warehlaka
bongasi ikarate le uNdlovu yazi ukufana nabani usibelebele. Mawuzobheka usibelebele ngilokuthi nje makabaganda yena uyaslice. Yabona. Manje uNdlovu uyaqina ndoda. Hayi ukusidlala ukuthi ke sizodlala nematamati nomfukeni wamqinisa. Yabona that's why wavela uyathamba mfukeni. Yabona wayibamba iPirate azange yenze lento yayenza ukuthi banikeze 3. Yabona. NeSundowns ihlulekile ngayo uNdlovu. Mazothatha uNdlovu uthi wena ke kuma game la nje uzombeka ngaphandle. Khona ama game lapho sifuna ukuthi sithole amadoda lafana nabo Linda Buthelezi. Yabo ingalangala. Abo Dumisa Ngobe indoda ukuthi uyafika iqinisa umzimba. Hayi nje ukuthi ke njalo sithola abafana bazokumaka ngathi asimaki lana ngathi siyamaka kuyadlalwa.
Thank you. Ngiyabonga Rasta.
Give thanks my king.
Bless Rastafari.
Hayi asibonge siyagcizelela sithi silandele kule podcast yethu siringa ngedisk asiya masuka commentator samajita wasekasi Afrostar idisk adlale idisk that's why siringa ngedisk yes ya ibungi ngijane laba.
They shout and scream like it's more than a dream. Only one thing on their mind, that Disky Supreme. See it in your Disky, oh. They fight like lions on a TV show. Forget the world when the whistle blows. From Subway to Rio they go. I caramba no. That's the only truth they know. He wakes up, no kiss, just a score line. Did you see that red?